Oh my God! Oh my God! Do you see this?
Guys, you know what we're cooking today, right? Shepherd's pie. It's gonna be delicious. I'm about to tell you all the ingredients you need to make this amazing dish. Ready? So for our mashed potatoes, guys, you need potatoes, right? So we got some potatoes, we have some salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder, butter, and milk for the mashed potatoes. Now, for the meat, guys, it's so simple. Garlic powder, some black pepper, onion powder. You need meat, right? We have some ground beef here, got some cayenne pepper, bay leaf, sazon. Get your favorite cheese.
Basil.
Oh, sorry, basil. We got, get your favorite cheese. We're gonna use Mexican blend today. 1 pack of sazon should be good. You need tomato paste, and guys, optional, peas and carrots. That's all you need, guys, to make this shepherd pie.
Chefs and chefettes. So while our potatoes is boiling in the water with a little salt, yes, you gotta add salt to your potatoes. So while that's boiling, we're preparing the beef. So what I did first was I took a little olive oil, and I threw some onions, some garlic, and a little cilantro in there to saute that up, just to build the smell. Gives it a good flavor. Now we're cooking the meat. Come close, show them the meat. All right, back up. Thank you.
Seasoning's not even in there. It smells amazing.
All right, guys. Yeah, that's the onion, the garlic, and the cilantro. So, guys, you don't want to dry this down because you have to bake this again for about 30 to 45 minutes. So keep it a little moist. So now I'm gonna add a seasoning. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, but add to taste, because you gotta taste your meat. You know, we like everything spicy, so I'm putting a little cayenne pepper in there just to give it a little kick. You don't have to. All our seasonings are optional.
Y'all can season your meat how y'all like.
You can season it how you like. Don't forget sazon. We put the sazon in there. It gives it a nice rich color and flavor. We're putting a pack of sazon in there. A little basil leaf. A little black pepper. Like I said, spice is optional. You don't like it spicy, you can't handle all the pepper, don't put spice. Oh, y'all see that?
Fancy, you fancy.
Guys, taste your meat. But like I said, remember, don't let this dry down, because it got to go in the oven. You don't want to be chewing on cardboard.
Let's see what it looks like now.
Yeah, come through, come through. Leave a little liquid in there. Leave a little liquid in there. Just make sure it's cooked, but you don't want it to dry down. So this is almost cooked. Maybe 2 or 3 more minutes and this is done. So what I'm going to do now, y'all paying attention?
Paying attention. We with you.
Dab!
Is that what we...
Dab!
Wait, that's what we had to pay attention for?
That's what you have to pay attention. Now I'm going to add the
That's
tomato
ridiculous.
paste in there. I added about half a cup of, that's about half a cup of tomato paste. Now come close. It's going to give it that rich color.
And it's still pretty moist.
Ground beef is done. It's all cooked. There's no pink in there. We've got the juices in there. You need that juice because when you put this in the potatoes is going to absorb all that juice goodness. All right, so remember we told you this was optional. Some of these kids in this household don't like vegetables. So we're not going to put too many peas and carrots in here, but it is optional. We're putting about a pot spoon of peas and carrots in here.
What about you? Do you like peas and carrots?
No, 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 no. Oh, no. No, 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 no.
Don't worry about me.
We have to ask.
As a chef.
But we have to ask because you said only the kids.
I'm putting it in there, right? I might like it.
You might?
I mean, I do like it.
Oh, I don't know, but your face,
Guys,
your face though, your face.
So put as much peas and carrots to your preference in there. That's the last step. We saved that for last because you didn't want to overcook. You don't want mushy corn, mushy peas.
Guys, ready to make mashed potatoes?
We ready.
Oh, yeah. Guys, we have the potatoes here. That was already boiled, nice, peeled. Got a potato masher. If you don't have a potato masher, it's cool.
Get one.
That's not what I was going to say.
Okay.
I'm not that bossy.
Get
If you
one.
don't have one, use a fork, all right?
Guys, get a potato masher.
Or just get a potato masher, that's fine. We're gonna mash the potato and we're gonna add some stuff in here. So make sure you watch them.
Coming closer. We want to see you mash potatoes.
Oh yeah, ooh, making a mess.
Nothing new.
Chef and Chefess, thank you for hanging with us. You guys are true family to us.
That's why they better hit that subscribe button.
Absolutely, hit that subscribe and make sure you tell a friend to come join you next time
Share the
to
love.
watch us make something amazing. Cause we always getting down in the kitchen doing something for y'all. Cooking, tasting, reviewing, we do it all. We go shopping for food. We do everything, right, boo?
Totally.
Totally. Black pepper. I'll sprinkle a little bit in here. I like that. Gotta
Yeah.
get you one. You gotta get you one.
For real.
And as you're doing this, make sure you do it to taste. So you're mashing it up, right? And you'll just taste it as you go. Because if you need to add a little bit more salt, a little bit more black pepper to your preference, do so. All right, guys? I'm gonna add a little bit of this at a time.
So how much should they put?
So a butter, I would say you could at least put 2 tablespoons.
That looks like more than 2 tablespoons.
I said to taste.
Oh.
So put 2 tablespoons. Right here is about 4 tablespoons. All right? Why? Because we have a crap load of mashed potatoes. Why? Because we got kids that need to eat. All right. So we add in extra mashed potato, extra butter, and just a little bit of milk, guys.
Oh yeah, it's gonna make it nice and creamy.
Yes.
Creamy.
My spoon to mix that up a little bit better. This right here. Can you see in here?
I can see. We looking.
And y'all see how all we did was take the butter right out of the container. We didn't melt it. We let it sit out for a little bit, and it got nice and soft.
Yeah, because the potatoes are still hot too.
Absolutely. Right. So let's go ahead and add the rest of this milk. Look how amazing that looks. A little bit more black pepper, babe. Yeah. I didn't even let you answer. Sorry. That's it. Look how amazing this is. Look at the consistency. Look at that. We're going to mash this up a little bit more. Then I'm going to show you what to do with these mashed potatoes.
Chefs and chefettes, you see the mashed potatoes, you see the meat, they're both done. We already put our first layer down in our oven-safe baking dish. Make sure y'all hit that like button now. Make sure y'all subscribe to our family, because if you made it this far, you must like what you see. So let's continue doing what we're doing. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to put our first and only layer of meat.
Can I sing for you?
Please don't. Please.
But you said you liked my singing last time.
I never said that.
Yes, you did.
I never said that.
Yes, you did.
I never said I like your singing. See how good that looks? Guys, make sure y'all make it nice and even all over. So it's mashed potatoes, meat, mashed potatoes again.
Y'all see that layer? That mashed potato and that meat? Look at that. Heavenly.
Get it nice and even, cover all 4 corners.
Delicious.
Deliciousness. Now we're gonna put down the second and final layer of potatoes. Now this is the hard part. Because you don't want to raise up the meat. You gotta be careful. Y'all see this? Y'all see this?
Delicious.
Guys, we're almost there. We're almost there.
Let me come in right here. Let's see what you're doing. Let's see what this is about.
Putting that last layer.
Wow, we can see those layers right there.
It looks really
Mashed
good.
potatoes.
Guys, once I layer this, it's time to sprinkle the cheese. Guys, we're gonna put this in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes at 350. You wanna get the cheese nice and golden brown. You know how when you're making your mac and cheese?
Oh yeah.
Yes, you wanna cook that cheese. Don't cover it. Please don't cover it.
Nah, I want mac and cheese too.
Don't cover it. What'd you say?
No, nothing.
Oh, I didn't get to taste it. Perfect. We're using this cheddar cheese blend. You can use any cheese you like. You're gonna sprinkle your cheese.
That color's gonna look amazing.
Cover all 4 corners.
I have to look.
Guys, pop it in the oven. 350, 30 to 45 minutes. That's it. I'll see you when it's done. The shepherd's pie is done.
And it looks delicious. You see it? Look at that.
Simple, easy, step-by-step recipe. Make it.
And it feeds so many.
Hit that like, comment, and subscribe.
And that notification bell, guys. Don't forget that. So you can stay tuned and let know when we drop in hot stuff.
Make it. That's it. Nothing else to say. And we are out.